Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. Gwen Chambers has joined us. She is the Executive Director of BlacQuity, and she is in her 5th year in that role. Good to see you, Gwen.
Good to see you too.
I haven't seen you in a couple of years.
I know.
So, BlacQuity going strong, and for our viewers that aren't quite sure what all the services you provide and the programs for small business in the area, you want to share?
Sure. So we offer our core or flagship program is the 12-week accelerator program that helps businesses start and grow their business with foundational pieces. So we're talking about learning what your mission and vision is, marketing, legal, insurance, all of those pieces.
Finance.
Oh, 4 units on finance. So yeah. Quite a hefty lift for that. But yeah, all of those foundational pieces to help them start moving towards helping their businesses become more sustainable and operable within the community.
Very good. A lot of success stories, right?
Yes, yes.
So businesses coming to you for resources, for advice,
for coaching.
Yes. And then you also reach out to businesses to help.
Yeah,
help
absolutely.
Whatever they need.
Yes. We make it a point to stay connected with our alumni and to offer them whatever they need and make sure we have a good pulse on their needs and their wants within their business.
Okay, very good. Now, on September the 12th is your biggest fundraiser.
Yes.
All right. It is called the Roots and Rivers Festival. Y'all have heard about it. It is in Bluffton, of course, at the Oyster Factory Park. So it's in the afternoon on that Saturday. So what happens?
A lot happens. So this is our 4th Roots and Rivers Festival. I'm very excited about it. And so from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., we have a lot going on. So 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. starts, we have a kid zone. So bring the family, friends out, bring your lawn chairs, really fun activities. We have a vendor market, artisan market. So you can go through and visit approximately around 25 to 30 vendors that'll be out there. Food vendors, arts, crafts, you name it. We have it out there, food. And then we also have live music. And our live music this year is Steve and the Ear Candy Band. Excited to announce that.
Steve. You got Steve?
Yes.
Fantastic.
And he is amazing.
He is.
So sweet
He's so
to work with. Very much, yes. So we're excited about that as well. So it's a lot of fun.
All right. And so you talked about the kids zone, a lot of family-friendly activities. Food trucks, there's got to be good food.
Always good food. We couldn't have a festival without good food. Good food.
And you mentioned a lot of the businesses that you work with will be there.
Yes, a lot of our alumni will be in the market. So they'll get a chance to see them, patronize them, and really see what all of their hard work has done.
Right, and I'm looking at my notes, the festival celebrates the rich culture, music, food, history, and entrepreneurial spirit of the Lowcountry.
So there'll be tidbits of that flowing throughout the whole. So we have parts of that throughout the program. So we'll have a little bit of people documenting and talking about their experience with our classes at BlacQuity. We'll have entrepreneurs talking. We'll have some of them doing their services and demonstrating their services and showcasing that as well. So a lot of that will be going on throughout the festival.
Now the name Roots and Rivers.
Yes.
Where did you come up? What does that mean?
So it means a lot because Roots and Rivers started because, and we went back and forth on the name a couple times, but we were really trying to hone in on the core of why we exist, the roots and the heritage and what the foundational pieces of our community. So a lot of our business owners are natives. A lot of them are from here, have families here, have grown here. So really going back into the roots and you'll see that through a lot of our alumni generationally, you'll see a lot of them as well.
So at the event, too, a lot of fellowship, a lot of fun. Everybody's seeing friends and
always
colleagues.
Yes. Always fun. Very family friendly. The tickets are, early bird tickets are on sale now. Between now and July 31st, early bird tickets are on sale. And then after that, it's $15. But it is a steal for the amount of experience and what you get out there. Yes.
And if you want to sponsor, there's still an opportunity to sponsor?
Yes. Always an opportunity to sponsor. Yes. So if you would like to sponsor, absolutely. So we still have openings for that.
Gwen Chambers, who is the Executive Director of BlacQuity. But the big event, September the 12th, it's the Saturday, the Roots and Rivers Festival in its 4th year.
Yes.
So good to see you, Gwen.
Thank you.
Yes, good job. And we'll be right back with more Talk of the Town.